I'm out here doing my job today, going to my second one. I'm waiting on water, and I see these two falcons. I don't know if they're peregrine falcons or not, but they got babies up in this nest right here, and she's not happy with me right now, but the male is back on this other side. And I come and got under the nest, and they'd actually carried a 1-iron, a brand new Precision 2 1-iron over here. See all these twigs? Actually, some of them are a little bigger than twigs, but that's what they're carrying to build this nest. And they're actually building another nest over on that other pole there. What's up, little fellers? I'm not gonna bug you too much. I just wanted to make a little video of you. Anyways, I just wanted to come and make a little video. Thought it was pretty cool. Thought I'd share it. Peace.